I left the White House in February of this year to continue the work I started a decade ago at the advisory board company trying to find healthcare innovations to lower the costs and improve the quality. In the month I left the administration, we convened around the Hokie Health Codeathon, where 80 entrepreneurs and students from Virginia Tech and around the neighborhood gathered for the first time to think about how they could invent better healthcare products powered by open government data. We pulled thousands of dollars in prizes, and now 3 companies have been born in just the last 3 months focused on how we can improve healthcare outcomes and lower costs built by open data. Virginia was the first to adopt domestically the Text for Baby program. An American entrepreneur, Voxiva, collaborates in Africa to introduce a cell phone-based text messaging service to educate women to have healthier pregnancies. We brought that innovation back to the United States, launched the Text for Baby initiative, and Virginia was among the first venues that hosted. So I think there's a chance to showcase in smaller neighborhoods and communities or states what the world should be, how it could be innovation-oriented, and the benefits of that could then be scaled around the world. Well, you engineer with frugality in mind. To me, there are 3 key principles to keep in mind to ensure this benefits the masses. Number 1, you start with the principle that you open up, and you open up on data where possible. Now, in the case of government, the information should be widely, freely available so that the marginal cost to build applications on top of that data should be as low as possible. So, number 1, opening up on data. But number 2, we should convene the industry around lowering barriers to entry by engaging in standards activities. For example, the Green Button program now is standardizing for utilities all over America and increasingly the world how customers should get access to their energy data in electronic form. This will fuel all unknown applications on cell phones to tell you when you should turn your thermostat down to save a few bucks here and there. These kinds of collaborations to lower the barriers to entry will create those possibilities. And third, collaborate globally. When I was the President's Chief Technology Officer, in collaboration with India, we co-created an open government platform to be made freely available to countries all over the world. And we announced, the administration, both India and the US announced that Rwanda will be the first country that will benefit from this collaboration, this global collaboration. So you're building in mind the premise that there are opportunities to these tools to be available to folks in ways they haven't imagined. Even if you lack technology, you can benefit from the data.